In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Notion Desktop. If your Notion app feels slow, is stuck syncing, or just isn't behaving the way it should, a reset can give you a clean slate without touching any of your cloud content. This process clears local files and cache on your computer, but your pages and databases stored in your account remain safe and will re-download after you sign back in. Start by opening the Notion Desktop app. Look to the top left corner of the window for the Notion logo. Depending on your version, it may appear as a simple icon near the sidebar. Click that logo to open the app's menu. From the menu that appears, choose Help. In the Help section, click Troubleshooting. Finally, select Reset and erase all local data. That's the entire sequence. When you choose Reset and erase all local data, Notion removes cached files, temporary downloads, thumbnails, and other local data that can cause glitches over time. It does not delete your online workspace, shared pages, or any content stored in the cloud. Think of it like clearing out the app's local storage so it can rebuild everything fresh the next time you sign in. Before you proceed, make sure your recent edits have fully synced. If you see any offline indicators or pending changes, give the app a moment to finish. Unsynced local edits won't be preserved by a reset. When you click the Reset option, you may be asked to confirm, choose to continue, and the app will close as it clears local data. After the reset finishes, reopen Notion. You'll be greeted as if it's a fresh install, and you'll sign back into your account. Once you do, Notion will re-download your workspaces and content from the cloud. This part may take a little time, especially if you have a large workspace, but it ensures you're starting from a clean, consistent state. A quick note on when this is helpful: if searches aren't returning results you expect, if the app crashes when opening certain pages, or if UI elements look out of date, a reset often resolves those issues. It's also useful after a major update or if you've switched between networks and noticed persistent sync errors. Resetting the desktop app won't affect your mobile app or the web version, and it doesn't change your subscription or account. And that's all it takes. Click the Notion logo, go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and select Reset and erase all local data. With a fresh cache and clean local files, your Notion desktop should feel snappier and more reliable.